Hi, Cici from NearHub. Welcome to our NearHub Academy. Today I will show you how to do a presentation on our NearHub board. First, let me show you how it looks like when you import your PowerPoint to your whiteboard. And the first thing you need to do is to install a third-party application like WPS Office or Microsoft PowerPoint. You can find this application from our App Store here or from the Google Play Store. Now I will open a PowerPoint for you. Let's turn to the full screen. And you can slide. You can see different pages of the point. So if you are accustomed to making your PowerPoint from your laptop, this way is right for you. However, if you find it a bit boring and not flexible enough, I highly recommend that the NearHub application for you. You can create your PowerPoint on the board directly. I will show you some amazing features you can use before and during your presentation. First, you can import whatever you need onto the board. You can import an image, PDF, or files that you need to the board by clicking the import button of the toolbar here. For example, now I need a picture of a dog. I will click here, and the picture will be imported. I will move the picture to the left and maybe enlarge the picture like that. Now you see it. Second, I can also use the built-in tools to create a PowerPoint. I can use the stylus to write down my topic. And I can also erase something if I just make a mistake. I can also create a sticky note and put my point on it, like the former, like these three. NearHub Board also offers you a bunch of templates. You can create a mind map or a workflow just with a simple click. That's super convenient. Also, when you need a new page, you can turn to the lower button here. You can click the arrow here, and immediately you will have a new page. When you want to track all the pages you have already created, you can click the button in the corner. Now you can see them in this line. So through this way, even during a presentation, you can edit the content. It's much more flexible than using a fixed and unchangeable PowerPoint. Most importantly, our NearHub board can promote your interaction during the presentation. When you work with your teammates, you may need to share your canvas with your co-workers. So you can click the invite button here. You can send them the code so that they can join the whiteboards. And when they join in, their photos will be shown in the left here. You can use the presentation mode here by clicking the button in the middle. Now you see the whole picture become more clean and clear. You may have already found that all the editing on the board is shown in real time. It means that your collaborators can see the scenes change when the scenes change on the board. All of the participants of the whiteboards can view the latest content of the board. So you don't have to waste any time on waiting. Finally, I want to introduce a very powerful feature, the split screen feature to you. Now I click the button of this one and I select this window and drag it and put it with another window. When I drop it, I can search on the Chrome and do my presentation at the same time. Now, if I want the picture of this website, I just need to click the pen-like button here in the corner and I can do some annotation on this website. And here I can download this picture. This picture will be shown in the whiteboard here. Now you can see that. So when you need something from the website, this feature can greatly help you to import this one. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us and wish you a very happy journey with NearHub Board.